When I talk about how D2C is actually, helping our organization in driving our business objectives, see the kind of products that we have, they are more, you know, quick consumption nature products. They are more relevant for Q-commerce audiences. But what we have seen is that the reason that we launched D2C website was to get the first party data, to get new customer acquisitions, to get to know more about their consumer behavior, what kind of products they're searching for when they're visiting our website, what kind of information they're browsing, if we have different products on the website, what is the kind of consumer journey, what all other are they browsing cross category products or not. It is actually helping us in profiling our consumers better. It is actually helping us in understanding our consumers better, and that is what we've been able to start. We've been able to take that first step towards that journey, and we're hoping that we get that substantial amount of data as soon as possible. So digital has, we've started being digital first from COVID onwards, right? What we've understood is that television is not the only medium where we can actually reach out to our consumers. Television screen is a one-way communication screen, and digital is something which is two-way, right? So what we've seen is that there are different formats running. Consumers have a very short attention span, and they want quick consumable content. So we have started creating assets which are better suited for digital screens. For example, earlier we would just go and get a TVC shoot done in a horizontal format, but now we are ensuring that whenever we get a TVC done, we actually get content which can be directly speaking to the consumers, which can actually educate them, which can hit them where what the need points are. For example, for Epic also, we've done the same sort of activity with Radhika Apte, who's our brand ambassador, and we've created a lot of short, consumable, snackable content out of the shoot that we did. SocialBeat is the one that actually has helped us in scaling D2C. It has made us realize the potential of the creative experimentation that can be done for performance marketing campaigns, and has actually pushed us to try out new campaigns, new sort of creative formats, new ad campaigns, new ad formats, etc. So, and the thing is that it is actually a market leader. It's not market leader as such. I have not used the term market leader. What I want to use is innovator. It's actually a first mover. As soon as something comes, they want to experiment, which is a very, very good thing, because as soon as you start experimenting as early as possible, it actually gives you a competitive advantage over rest of the players in the market. And SocialBeat has done a fabulous job for us.